another flight, another day. Flying into Sydney. Only a stop over here on my way to Cairns via Brisbane. So we're now further away than we were in the first place, which seems really ludicrous, but that's basically what's happening. Is it a nice but firm? Who knows? Here we go. Well, no, it's quite a decent one. Kalita Air, never heard of them. Something different. So here we are at Sydney on Sunday, and it is local time 5:25 in the afternoon. We'll have another landing hopefully in a few hours time, Brisbane.